Guys, this is the same logic board, the one which I have fixed previously. There was an issue related to 20 volts, and now in this logic boards, as you have seen, there was a Nand issue as well. They have already removed the Nands and all the pads were ripped off, but now this logic board I have taken as a challenge and I'll be fixing this logic board. So guys, stay connected with me. I'll be showing you each and every single secrets how to fix this kind of scrap logic board. Okay, so you can see the condition of the logic board under the microscopes. It's totally damaged everything. And now we are closing the port A left side, and we are going to activate the port B that is in right side. So now you can imagine if you have got something like that, how you can fix this kind of logic board. So just stay connected with me. I'll be teaching you every single secrets how to fix this kind of scrap logic board. So guys, now you can see the left side, everything has been damaged. So U9300 and U9200, and even although U9100 and U9400, this area is totally damaged and someone has ripped off all the pads from these Nands. And even although especially we cannot install this side only and only 2 Nands. So in that case, this logic boards, it's going to trash and people are using it as a scrap. So I'll be telling you every single things how you can especially fix this logic board, because your A side area is totally damaged. So in that case, now we have to use the B side area. That will be the B side area. This is totally safe. So if you have the same donor board, then definitely you can borrow just same donor board and you can install all the components. But if you don't have, then how will you do that? That is the question. So simply you have to go here, step by steps, just follow the NAND area. Okay, 1 2 3 4, okay, 5, number 3. So just by, okay, the direction is also same, every single thing is same. So usually what happen in that case, A2141, it comes with the 5 Nands or 6 Nands or 8 Nands. So if it's a 512 GB, then definitely you will have 5 Nands. If it's a 1 TB, then definitely you will have 6 Nands. But if there is a 6 Nand, then definitely you can install 256 and 256 GB SSD and you can easily fix the issue. But if there is only and only 5, then what will be the next? You have to place all the components over here. So as an example, you can take this. Okay, so this is a very easy way in order to install all the components to that side. Just press here R9206 and then after that come here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, install these registers, remove from that side and install these registers. You just need to follow that method, okay, and you can easily install every single registers. Okay, so now 1 2, okay, 3, install that register. That register is mandatory, so you have to take a logic board into your hands and you just need to follow that, swap all the components, or else you have to go to the SAMDEX and according to the semantics, like U8700, these are the configuration registers, and here you can see whatever you need to place it. Especially you just need to place it on the logic board, and here are the caps, all these registers you need to install. And here is the data line capacitors is very important, you need to install. So every single component is important. If something is missing, then definitely you need to install all the necessary components. That is really important, otherwise there will be definitely an error and you cannot restore, it won't go into recovery modes. These are the data line components. So now let me go to the logic board and let me show you how we are fixing it exactly, that is scrap logic board. So guys, this is the damaged logic board as you have seen. Now I'll be giving life to this logic board. Okay, so here as you can see, every single components we have already installed. Look, whatever was the necessary components, we have installed it. So now we have to program the Nands. And first of all, we need to open GC programmers and then go to the Mac sections, and then after that you have to go to the sections of the model number. You have to select the model number, and then after that you have to select the storage, that is 512 GB, and after that you have to choose the right NAND, that is called TSB4232. So now let's program the NANDs. As you can see, it's going on. So let's wait for a few seconds. The programming is done, and now let's program the another one, U8700, that is TSB4229. So as you can see, that is going on. So everything is going well. Once it's done, then we just need to install the NAND on the logic board. That's all. Okay, so everything looks cool, fine. Now it's time to install. So guys, now it's time to connect the DCPS, and we have to put the device into recovery mode, and then after that we have to flash. I just need to press allow, and then after that it will goes into the recovery mode, and then I'll have to flash this device. So and then I'll have to do the DFU. From here I just need to press the restore button, so now this device is getting restored, and we just need to focus on the DCPS. As you can see, again one more time it's asking for the permissions. So now you can see the ampere, it's gradually increasing. It's reached to 170, and then after that it has been reached to 200 amp, and then after that it has been reached to 2.5 milliamp. So now as you can see, so now the device has been restored perfectly, but there will be an error because there is no trackpad connected on it, and that's error belongs to the trackpad. So now we need to connect the trackpad, and then after that we can restore this machine successfully. So I just need to stop and disconnect every single thing one more time, and that's it, boom. Okay, so finally I have brought the track, and now it's time to put this device into recovery mode once again. So first of all I just need to quit Apple configurator, and then after that I'll have to reopen once again. So guys, I have connected the trackpad, and now I'll have to connect the charger first, and then after that I'll have to connect the USB cable. So as you can see, again it's taking only and only 100 milliamps, and now it's directly going to recovery mode, because earlier I have been flashed this device. So because of that reason it's not asking me for the permissions the way in iPhone you do allow on the screens. It's the same thing. So now I'll have to go to the recovery, and just press the right click and restore this device. That's all. Let's wait for a while and see. So as you can see, the current is keep increasing slowly. So once it's reached to 160, 150, 200, 300, and then after that later on it will reach to 2 amp, then from 2 amp to 2.5 and 2.7 it goes, and it means your device is getting perfectly flashed. So you can see the currents, that is really important while flashing. Everything is getting perfectly done. Earlier there was no trackpad, now you will see the lock sign. That is the love sign for the tech guys. So device has been fixed perfectly, and let me take you to the microscopes so then I can show you every single things. How was that, and from now how it looks like. So I have disconnected every single things, and this is the logic board. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is the same logic board that was totally damaged, and this device has been restored perfectly. And firstly we have fixed 20 volts, and then later on we have fixed the NAND issue, and so you can see this. Everything is perfectly done. Now let me turn on this logic board. Just keep watching in this CPS. You will see every single things, whatever is happening here. Okay, this is the same logic board. This is all live, nothing hidden, cut bit. This is all live, there is no cuts inside the video. Okay, so now you can see the realistic work how we do at Eazyfixit. When you come for the trainings, we do every single things that goes live, and definitely we promise you 100% you will get the quality results and the quality trailing. Definitely we promise you will get the 100% quality results during the trainings. If you have got any query related to the trainings, then definitely you can connect us through WhatsApps. You can go to the description box, you will find every single details. No matter where you live, we have online plus offline training module. So if you are not comfortable with the offline, then definitely we recommend you to go for the online, and the online course has been designed to give you the 100% realistic diagnostics process, and every single lectures is going to be live, no recorded. So guys, thank you so much once again.